accounting questions. Yes, right. Right. Then what about Shania? Done. Lagdi loge lagdi.
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. Dishatna done. Right. Right. Then quickly we discuss. Quickly we complete. Right. 21 paper. Right. Accounting question. Right. Right. Question number 5. Question number 5. I'm still getting recovery. Huh? I'm recovered around the right. What is the main purpose of accounting? Main purpose of accounting is providing information to stakeholders. Okay, bonus marks. Roman question number 5. Roman number 1 is bonus marks. The purpose of accounting, providing information to stakeholders. Okay, yeah, or providing financial information to stakeholders to take their decisions. Roman number 1, right. Second one, write the source document and the primary book separately for each of the following transactions occurred in the business. If you want to discuss something in detail, please send me a message. Detail discuss karna message explain karna, right. Write the source document and the primary book separately for each of the following transactions occurred in the business. Primary book, source document and the primary book. Right here, first one, purchase a stock of goods of 50,000 in cash. Purchase a stock of 50,000 in cash. Purchasing 50,000 stocks on cash basis. Then source document is what? Source document, payment voucher. Source document is payment voucher. And then primary book is what? Primary book, cash book. Primary book, cash book. Okay, primary book, cash book. Bonus marks, bonus marks. Easy questions, easy questions. Right, second one. Look at the second one. Purchasing furniture 100,000 on credit for the use of the business. They purchase 100,000 worth of furniture on credit basis for use in the business organization. Then we have a record. We need to record in general journal. Here source document is what? Source document journal voucher, and then primary book is what? General journal. Primary book general journal. Right, students. What are the transactions we record in general journal? What are the transactions we record in general journal? We can record in general journal. First one, adjusting entries. Adjusting entries. Okay, we can discuss adjusting entries. Now, what are the adjusting entries? In grade 11, we have learned. Already I have explained. Now, what are the adjusting entries? In grade 11, chapter, grade 11, chapter 5, page number 69. Grade 11 textbook. Okay, here you can see adjusting entries. Accrued expenses, income receivable, bad debts, depreciation, adjusting entries. Adjusting entries. Stock drawings, adjusting entries. Okay, in the general journal we can record adjusting entries. And then correction of errors, we can record correction of errors. Correction of errors, grade 10 last chapter. This time examiner will not test questions from correction of errors. Therefore, no need to worry about that. No need to worry about correction of errors. Right, correction of errors. And then next one, purchase of non-current assets, or purchase of fixed assets. Purchase of fixed assets or purchase of non-current assets on credit basis. We record in general. Other than these three, we have we have another 4 transactions we record that we record in general journal. Especially actually we have 7 transactions we record in general journal. Out of 7 transactions, only 3 discussed in O level. But another one is opening entries. But in one of the, I think in 2019 or 13, in 2019 or 13 paper, sorry, in a 19 or 20 paper, for the margin scheme, examiner has provided opening entry in the marketing scheme. In the marketing scheme, we can see one of the answer which is related to opening entries, but opening entries are not discussing now level. Okay, we can record in general journal opening entries, closing entries, and then disposal of fixed assets, transaction related to disposal of fixed assets, and then posting entries. Posting entries. These are the transactions we record in general journal. But this transaction no need to discuss for whatever. But in one of the market scheme, examiner has provided an answer for opening entries. Opening entries for the answer that right, these are the transactions according to general journal. Right. The source document in general journal is for general voucher. Right. Now, Roman number 3. Look at the Roman number 3. If you want to explain something in detail, send me a message. Yeah, send me a message. Right. Right. Now, Roman number 3. 3. The total amount of the assets, liability, and assets and liabilities of Raju's business as at 1st January 22 are as follows. Right. Right. Now, opening balances. Motor vehicle, stock of goods, debtors, cash balance, total liabilities. Right. These are the opening balances. Following how the transaction occurred in Raju's business during the month of January 22 impacted on the accounting equation. Right, here you can see opening balances. Here you can see opening balances and then transactions of the business. These are the transactions occurred in the January month. Right. Required. Write the transaction with amount occurred in 14 January 22. Now, my 14 January transaction you need to write down. What is the transaction 14 January? What is the transaction occurred in 14 January? Kamisha. Kamisha, happy Ramasan Day. Ramasan Day today or yesterday? Kamisha. Today. Yes. Yes. Right. Right. Lamai, what is the answer for question number 1? Write the transaction with amount occurred in 14 January. Lamai, what's the transaction? 14 January. Received 7,000 from creditors. Received, yes. Receiving money from debtors. Yes, correct. Akshaya, correct. Right. Received 7,000 cash from debtors. Simple. Bonus marks. Bonus. Okay, right. For students in my class, these things, okay, this type of questions will not be a big issue. Right. B. B. What is the amount of equity as at 25th January 2022? What is the amount of equity? What is the amount of equity as at 25th January 22? Total amount of equity, how much? In this question, total amount of equity, how much? How much the total amount of equity? Total amount of equity, minus 10,000 plus 10,000, then yes, 0. Because of this transaction, equity balance is 0. But you need to look at the opening balances. From opening balances, you need to calculate opening equity. From opening balances, you need to calculate opening equity. These are the opening balances. From these opening balances, you need to calculate opening equity of the business. Opening equity. From these balances, you need to calculate opening equity. Right. Then how to calculate opening equity? Opening assets minus opening liabilities. Opening assets minus opening liabilities. Right. Answer for the part B. Answer for the part B. Question number 5. Question number 5. Part B. How to calculate open equity? Opening assets minus opening liability. Opening assets, motor vehicle 250,000. Motor vehicle 250,000 opening assets. Opening stock. Opening stock 140,000 opening stock. Opening debtors 20,000. Opening debtors 20,000. Opening cash balance 100,000. In opening liabilities how much? Opening liabilities of the business how much? $510,000. Okay then. Opening liabilities 510,000 and then opening liability, so opening assets minus opening liabilities. Opening liability 30,000. And then how much opening equity? 510,000 minus 30,000. 500,000, 480,000. 480,000 opening equity. Opening equity 480,000. Opening equity 480,000. And then because of the transaction occurred in the period, minus 10,000 plus 10,000. No impact to equity. Answer for the part B. Equity as at 25th January 22 is 480,000. 480,000. But because of this transaction, no impact to equity. There is no impact to equity. Impact is 0. Therefore, opening equity balance is the amount that you need to take as closing equity. Right. Lama, is it clear? Kushi, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. Madesh, okay, Madesh, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. Shanaya, okay, Shanaya.
Yes, sir.
All right. Dishatha, okay, Dishatha. Right, Lamai. C, look at the C. What is the amount of total current assets as at 25th January? What is the amount of total current assets? What is the amount of total current assets here, Lamai? 25th January, total amount of current assets. What are the current assets in this question? What are the current assets available in this question? What are the current assets in this question? Stock of goods, debtors and cash. Stock of goods, stock. These are the current assets. We are in question number 5. Okay. 2021 paper. Second paper. Question number 5, part C. Right. What is the amount of total current assets? What is the amount of total current assets? Here, current assets, stock current assets. Stock current assets. Stock opening balance how much? 140,000. Stock opening balance 140,000. Debtors 20,000 opening balance. Debtors opening balance 20,000. Cash balance opening balance 100,000. Cash balance. Cash opening balance 100,000. Cash balance opening balance 100,000. Cash. Cash opening 100,000. And then right. Changes in stock. During the month. These are the opening balances. Opening balances of stocks, debtors and cash. Cash opening balance 100,000. Cash opening balance 100,000. Debtors opening balance 20,000. Right. Adela mai stocks total difference in stock. My total difference in stock how much? Oh, 9,000 plus 15,000 minus. Adela mai minus 6,000. Net difference is minus 6,000. Adela mai stock minus 6,000. From stock minus 6,000. And then debtors. My debtors plus 7,000. My debtors plus 7,000. Sorry, debtors minus 7,000 plus 25,000. It means my net difference is how much? Net difference 20,000, 18,000 plus 18,000. Debtors plus 18,000. Debtors plus 18,000. Cash. Net difference in cash is how much? Cash net difference minus 10,000 plus 7,000 minus 8,000. Plus 7,000 minus 8,000 means minus 1,000. Plus 7,000 plus 7,000 minus 8,000 means minus 1,000. Then minus 10,000 minus 11,000. Total amount minus 7,000. Sorry, minus 11,000. Then cash minus 11,000. Net difference. Net difference. Like am I 140,000 opening balance minus 6,000. 20,000 opening balance plus 18,000. 100,000 minus 11,000. Then here what's the amount of total current assets? Like then am I total current assets. Stock 140,000 minus 6,000. How much? 134,000 is stock. 134,000. Debtors 20, 30, 38,000 debtors. Debtors 30,000. Cash 90,000, 89,000 cash. Right. Total current assets how much? Total current assets how much? Uh, 261,000. Is it correct? So my total assets, total current assets 261,000. Is it correct? Yes, right. Yes. Lagdil, is it correct, Lagdil?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. Right. My total assets, current assets 261,000 current assets. And next question. Right. Next question. Indicate how the following transaction occurred in Raju business on 31st January 22 impacted on the above accounting equation. Indicate how the following transaction occurred in Raju business on 31st January 22 impacted on the accounting equation. Investing Raju's private vehicle, 300,000 to the business. Am I indicate how the following transaction am I Raju provided this motor vehicle to the business, then how to record this one? Am I D how to record? Motor vehicle plus 300,000 and then my capital plus 300,000, nothing else. Nothing else. You can write the full account equation and then under that you can find out. If not, you need to indicate, only indicate. Indicate how the following transaction occurred in Raju business impacted the account equation. Then motor vehicle plus 300,000, capital plus 300,000. Nothing else. That's answer. You can write this answer like this also. You can write the equation motor vehicle plus stock plus debtors plus cash equal to equity plus creditor. And then now you can write down motor vehicle plus 300,000 and then equity plus 300,000. Okay. You can write down the account equation and then you can find the answer. Right. Sanjali, okay, clear the Sanjali. Right. Hasidu, okay, Hasidu? Hasidu, okay, Hasidu? Right, yes. And then Garvita the mandam, but I wagi, Harit, and then I spell can come again. Right. Right now, Kitni, Kitne, Kitlini, right. Kitlini, right. And the comma, right. Garvita, okay, clear, right. बाकी नेम में स्पेलिंग का कौन किया पता हमारा व्हाट्सएप मैसेज डाल के ना वॉइस मैसेज है इतना बंदा नहीं बहुत वॉइस पे कर दिया भाई मैं लगा डालने भाई problem number 4 problem number 4 question number 5 problem number 4 the sales transaction occurred in Nagda's wholesale business during the month of January 22 are given below. These are the sales transactions and they required the following of Nagda's business for the month of January 22. Sales journal, sales account, the total amount of sales. Right. Simple question. Huh? Another simple question. You need to prepare sales journal. Huh? The sales journal, you need to record only all the credit sales. Credit sales of credit stocks. We recorded sales journal. We recorded sales journal. Credit sales of credit stocks. Then, right. Question number 5, Roman number 4. Question 5, Roman number 4. Roman number 4. Sales journal A. You will prepare the sales journal. Sales journal. Sales journal. Your date. Date, invoice number, and then customer, value, LF. Right. Right. And then my sales account, B. B sales account. Sales account. Better to draw structure format. Sales account. Date. Date. Description. Description. LF. LF. Amount. Amount. Right. And then the total amount of the sales. Right. Total amount of the sales. Total amount of the sales. Right. Now we like total amount of sale here. Right. Question 5th January 22. Selling a stock of goods to Chamara at 45,000 on credit. 5th January. And now 5th January transaction recording general sales journal. 5th January invoice number 520. Sales to Chamara. Sales to Chamara. Total amount 45,000. Right. Total amount 45,000. And then next one, 14 January, selling stock of goods 60,000 in cash. 14 January. 14 January. 14 January, cash book debit, sales account credit. Cash book debit, sales account credit. Receipt number 428. And no need to prepare the cash book. Therefore, no need to prepare the receipt number, but here you can write down receipt number. If you want, you can write down receipt number 428. For your receipt number. And then cash book debit, sales account credit. How much? 60,000. 60,000. And then next one, 25th January, selling stock of goods to no one, 10,000 or 100,000 paid, paid discount 5%. Invoice number 521, right? 25th January. 25th January, invoice number 521, sales to no one, sales to no one. How much? Total about 100,000, but 100,000 minus 5,000, 5% discount. Then we need to record after deducting trade discount. Therefore, 100,000 minus 5,000 means 5,000. Then 95,000. 95,000. Right, done, finished. Right, then now you have to prepare the sales journal and then end of the month. End of the month, total amount of the sales journal transfer to 31st January. 31st January. 31st January. Total amount of the sales account. Total amount of the sales journal. Credited to sales account. That is sales account, right? Total amount how much? Total amount 140,000. Credit on sales account 140,000. Now this total amount sales account credit, sales account credit 31st January. Debtors. This total amount now debtors account debit ne debtors. Chamber account debit, one account debit. Chamber debit, one debit. And then now here debtor account, neither. Here our description should be debtors. Individual debtors account debit and then sales account credit. Total amount how much? 140,000. Right. Done. Finished. Question is total amount of sales. Total sales. Total sales how much? Total sales. Total sales 200,000. Total sales 200,000. Okay then, hurry there. Okay there. Plug below, okay there.
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. Irishma, okay there, Irishma. Ramesh, okay there, Ramesh. Yes, sir. Sonal, okay there, Sonal.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Right. Before the exam, I think before commerce, before that day, if you want, I can do some revision class, okay? Before the exam day, if you want, send me a message. We will do that class only for my online class students and physical class students. If you want, we will do a revision class. Only okay, revision class to revise accounting knowledge before the exam day. Right. Question 5, okay. Now I go to question number 6. Go to question number 6. Quickly we'll do question number 6. Now in the question number 6, correction of error account, no need to discuss. No need to do correction of error account. We'll do only questions. We'll do questions without correction of errors. Right. Now question number 6. Name the elements of primary book, prime cost. Name the elements of prime cost. What are the elements of prime cost? What are the elements of prime cost? Direct material cost, direct labor cost, and then direct other cost. Direct material, direct labor, direct other cost. Okay then? Okay. Right. And then problem number 2. Look at the problem number 2. Nimal started a business for manufacturing canvas fabric bags on 1st January 22 and purchase machinery of 120,000 for it. Meanwhile, started the business to manufacture canvas fabric bags on 1st January 22 and purchase of machinery of 120,000 for it. Right. And then following are the production expenses for the month of January. At the end of the month, now any stocks of canvas fabric and cost of canvas bag is 1,200. At the end of the month, no any stocks of canvas fabric and cost of canvas bag is 1,200. Right. For manufacturing canvas fabric bags in the month of January, you will calculate prime cost and production overhead cost. Right. Now you have to calculate prime cost. Prime cost include what? Now prime cost include prime cost include what? Prime cost include direct material costs and then direct labor costs and direct other costs. Right. How much the prime cost? How much the prime cost? How much prime cost? Right. Quickly do. Quickly do. I got answers from Hamisha 290,000. Akshaya 290,000. Right. Right. We'll do. Right. Lamai, what are the prime costs right here? Question number 6. Prime cost building no. And then our production on it. Prime cost and production of it cost right. In now here problem number 2A prime cost. Second one production of it cost. Right. Right. Building rent. Now building rent belongs to what? Building rent. Building rent belongs to what? Belongs to production of it cost. Right. Building rent. Rent 20,000 production of it cost. Wages of the back servers. Wages. Wages wages belongs to what? Wages direct labor cost. Direct labor cost. Wages. Wages 60,000 direct labor cost. Wages of voucher. Now wages of voucher. Wages of voucher. Security expenses 25,000 indirect labor. Purchase of canvas fabric. Purchase of canvas fabric belongs to what? Belongs to purchase of canvas fabric belongs to direct material. Okay then. Okay then. 200,000. And then bag design expenses. Now bag design expenses belongs to what? Bag design indirect other like royalty fee. Indirect other. Bag design expense 30,000 indirect other. And then electricity expense. Sorry, bag design expense direct other. Electricity expense electricity indirect other. Electricity expense indirect other 8,000. Machine repair expenses. Machine repairing also indirect other 14,000. depreciation of machine in the other. Depreciation of machine 3,000 in the right. Finish. Right. Am I total time cost how much? 260, 290. Yes, 290. Your answer is correct, Ravisha. And then total overhead cost how much? Total overhead cost. Total overhead cost. Total overhead cost. Total overhead cost 7,000. Yes or no? Total overhead cost 7,000. Is it correct? Yes or no? Total overhead cost 7,000. Yes or no? Right. Total overhead cost 7,000. Right. All right. Finish. Question is finished. Right. Question number 6. Roman number 1. Okay. 2. Okay. Question number 6. Roman number 3. No need to discuss. Correction of the question. Correction of errors will not be tested from the exam. In the exam, therefore, no need to worry about that. Roman number 4. Look at the Roman number 4. Adjusting the bank balance of the bank account. Roman number 4. Gayan business has a favorable bank account balance of 24,000. Right. Gayan business has a favorable bank balance of 24,000 as of 31st March 2022. However, the balance of the bank statement received on the same day. Day deferred to this. Following reasons are identified for this difference later. Adjusted the bank balance of the bank account. Adjusted bank account and bank reconciliation. Simple question. Now, right. Problem number 4. Problem number 4. Problem number 4. You have to prepare adjusted bank account. Problem number 4. Adjusted bank account. Adjusted bank account and then bank reconciliation statement. Here, balance as per. Here, balance as per adjusted bank account plus minus, and then here balance as per bank statement. Balance as per bank statement. Right. And then here, this question, bank account has a favorable balance of 24,000. Then balance brought forward in the adjusted bank account, opening balance 24,000. Opening balance 24,000 debit side. Opening balance 24,000 debit side. Okay. Right now, my opening balance of the adjusted bank account, how much? How much? 24,000 debit side. Favorable balance. Favorable balance. Right. Right. And then here, these are the transactions occurred in the month. Checks that were not recorded in Gaya current account by the bank. Checks that were not recorded in Gaya's current account by the bank. Transactions not recorded by the bank. Right. Then here, the check deposited but not realized 40,000. We have properly recorded. In our adjusted bank account, we have properly recorded this deposited but not realized. We have properly recorded, but the bank has not recorded. That is not a fault of bank. Like a banking fault, not a fault of bank. Even not a fault of us. It is not an error. A time delay in Sri Lanka, nothing to do. Time delay. A time delay. We have deposited, but still the bank has not collected cash for that check. Because of complex checks realization process, it will take some time. Okay, it will take some time. We have deposited, but still the bank has not recorded. We have recorded, therefore our balance is high than the bank statement balance. Our bank balance is high, therefore deduct that amount. And we have added that 40,000 to our balance. Deduct that amount. If you deducted that amount from your balance, from business bank account balance, then business bank account balance will be equal to bank statement balance. Okay, now I did 40,000 minus 40,000 minus. We have added, then deduct. We have added, then deduct. Unrealized check. Unrealized check. Unrealized check how much? 40,000 minus. 40,000 minus. Next one. The check issued but not percent of 50,000. We have issued. We have properly recorded, but still the bank has not paid. Technical delay is nothing to do. We have deducted and therefore added. It means unpercented check plus unpercented check plus unpercented check. Unpercented check plus 15,000. Right. Next one. The transactions that were not recorded in the bank's account of bank business. Loan installment 10,000 paid by the bank on standing order. Standing order payment bank loan. We haven't recorded. Then we need to adjust that one in our bank. In my bank loan. Bank loan credit 10,000. Bank loan credit 10,000. And the next one, direct remittance of 30,000 received to the bank from debtors. Direct remittances 10,000. Am I adjusted bank account debit 30,000, debtor account credit 30,000. Adjusted bank account debit, debtors account credit. Done, finished. Right. Am I? How much the closing balance of the bank account? 24,000 plus 30,000. How much? 54,000. Then 54,000 minus 10,000 balance carried down 44,000. Let us go forward 44,000. Adjusted bank account. My correct balance is 44,000. Then transfer this amount to bank reconciliation statement as opening balance. Balance as per adjusted bank account 44,000. Now 50,000 plus. 59,000. And then 40,000 minus. 45,000. Balance as per bank statement 45,000. 45,000. Right. Disat now, okay, disat now. Rishma, okay, Rishma. Harshindu, okay, Harshindu. Right. Akshay, okay there, Akshay? Tell me, see, tell me, see. Right. Now quickly we will do question number 7. Look at the question number 7. Quickly we will complete question number 7. Look at the question number 7. Right. Shall I erase this one? Shall I erase? Okay, right. 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 Question number 7. Question number 7. Name 2 financial statements prepared by a non-profit organization. We will do our class until end of this month. Okay. The reason is if we stop the class, okay, before ending this month, you will not update. Okay, now you will not update. Therefore, to update your knowledge, we will do the class. I know. Okay, most of the time, now you are allocating your time for your main subjects. Okay, you are allocating your time for main subjects. Therefore, sometimes you are not focusing on commerce. Okay, like this kind of other subjects. Therefore, we will do our class until the last moment because then you can update your knowledge. The special thing is you need to allocate. Actually, you need to allocate your time for the main subjects. Main subjects. Okay, but therefore we'll do the class. We'll update our knowledge until the last moment. Right. Right. Question number 7. Problem 1. Name 2 financial statements prepared by a non-profit organization. 2 financial statements. Receipt and payment account, and then income statement. Receipt and payment account, and then income statement. Or income statement or income and expenditure account. Okay. One is receipt and payment account. Other one is income statement or income and expenditure account. Right. Now, a non-profit organization can prepare statement of financial question as well, but statement of financial questions are not discussed in O level. Therefore, we'll write down only receipt and payment account and income and expenditure account or income statement. Income statement. Okay, then right. Right. Now, next one. Problem number 2. Problem number 2. Problem number 2. Look at the question. Right. Following is the income statement of Shakti Sports Society prepared for the year ended 31st December 2021 with errors. With errors. Income statement prepared with errors. Income statement prepared with errors. And then here membership fee 18,000. Membership fee 18,000. And then donation receipt 10,000. Expenses for the sports competitions 8,000. Electricity bill charges 1,500. Ticket income 10,000. Additional information: the number of members of the sports club is 100. Number of members 100. Annual membership fee per member is 200 rupees. Third one, it was decided to depreciate sports equipment purchase at 5,000 on 10% annually. 10% annually. Right. Prepare the exposed equipment purchase for 5,000. Alright. Here, prepare the correct income statement for the end of 31 December 21 of Shakti Sports Society. Correct income statement. Here there are some mistakes. Right? Now you know, we have discussed profit and loss statement of a sole proprietorship business. Profit and loss statement of a sole proprietorship business as well as income statement of a non-profit organization. We prepare based on accrual basis. We use cash basis for the cash book and receipt and payment account. For the receipt and payment account, we use cash basis. But for the profit and loss statement of a non-profit of a sole proprietorship business as well as income statement of a non-profit organization, we use accrual basis. It means relevant income of the period should be recorded in the income statement. Relevant expense of the period should be recorded in the income statement. Relevant income and relevant expense. Here you need to record relevant income and relevant expenses. Relevant income without considering receiving cash or not. Relevant expenses without considering cash payment. Whether we paid or not. Relevant expense should be recorded. Right. Right. Now here income statement. Corrected income statement. Problem number 2. Correct income statement. Here better write down Shakti Sports Society. You need to write down the name. Shakti Sports Society. And then income statement. Income statement for the year ended 31st December 2021. And then here income and expenses. Income and expenses. Income and expenses. And then over here, the number of members of the sports club is 100. Annual membership fee for members is 200. Then membership fee, we need to record relevant amount for the period. Membership fee, relevant amount for the period, it means 100 members into 200. Now, relevant amount is 20,000. Membership fee, we need to record 20,000. 100 into 200, 20,000. 100 into 20,000. 100 into 200. Relevant membership fee for the period is 200, 20,000. And then it was decided to depreciate sports equipment purchase at 5,000 for 10% annual. Then my equipment depreciation expense. Equipment depreciation 10%. Then 5,000 into 10%, how much? 500. Equipment depreciation 500. Equipment depreciation 500. Right, equipment depreciation 500. Right, additional information done. Go to the income statement, incorrect income statement. Membership fee 80,000, ignore. Donation receipt 10,000. Now donation receipt 10,000. Donation receipt 10,000. Income. And then expenses for sports competitions. Expenses for sports competition. $8,000. Donation for sports competition 8,000. Electricity bill charges 1,500. Electricity bill charges 1,500. Electricity 1,500. And then ticket income. Ticket income. Ticket income 10,000. Right, done, finished. Right. How much the total income? 10,000, 40,000 total income. 40,000 minus total expenses. Total expense how much? 8,000, 10,000. Surplus, how much? Surplus 30,000. 7. Okay then. Garvita okay there. Hasidu okay there. Hasidu clear. Hasidu. Yes. Yes right. Shinaya okay there. Shinaya.
Yes, sir.
Yes right. Madesh okay there. Madesh.
Yes, sir.
Yes right. Right. Kadilamai problem number 3. Problem number 3. The trial balance of Nirmala business as of 31 December 21 is as follows. You have to prepare profit and loss statement and statement of financial position. I think you have done that one. Quickly we will discuss. Quickly we will discuss. Right, Lamai? If you haven't done this one, quickly prepare structures. Quickly prepare structures. But we will do this one now. Statement of profit and loss for the end of 31 December 21. Statement of financial position as of 31 December 21. By Lamai? If you have not done, quickly complete the structures. Quickly complete the structures. We'll do now. Right. Yeah, now we're discussing last question in 2021 paper. 2021 paper. Second, 2021 second paper. Question number 7. Problem number 3. Right. Now, if you want to discuss BS part in this paper, we will discuss. If you want, send me a message. If not, we will move into 20 paper. If you can manage BS part, okay. If not, otherwise send me a message. We'll discuss. Quickly we'll complete. If you want, no problem. But only na care man karana. Isa ulat nahi. Right. Now, problem number 3. Quickly prepare structure of profit and loss statement. Business is Nirmala business. Nirmala business. Nirmala business. And then profit and loss statement for the end of 31 December 2021. Profit and loss statement for the year ended 31 December 2021. And then on here, structure sales minus cost of sales, opening stock, purchases minus closing stock, gross profit, other income, distribution expense, admin expense, finance expense. Right. Right. And then statement of financial position. Right. Nirmala business. Statement of financial position. Asset. 31st March, sorry, 31st December 21. Sorry. Cost, accumulated depreciation, carrying value, non-current assets, current assets, equity liability, non-current liability, and current liability. Right, Lama, shall we do the question? Shall we start? Shall we start? Okay, then we'll start. Okay. Now shall we start? Right. Closing stock 20,000. Lama, for all the additional information we need to pass our entries. For the additional information we need to pass our entries here. Closing stock 20,000. Lama, closing stock minus from cost of sale and then transfer to current assets. Then the closing stock. Closing stock 20,000. Closing stock minus from cost of sale and then transfer to statement of financial position. Now, this is a double entry, but that double entry no need to know. No need to know. Now, yes, whatever stores no need to know that double entry, but this is a double entry. This is a double entry. Examiner will not test that double entry. Just writing is enough. No need to know about this double entry. Right, and then my second one, accrued billion rent 2000, accrued billion rent accrued billion rent billion rent paid amount how much? 18,000. Billion rent paid amount 18,000 in the trial balance, then paid amount and then another 2,000 payable. Then paid amount plus payable amount, total amount how much? 20,000. Relevant rent expense for the period 20,000. Relevant rent expense for the period 20,000. Then rent administration expense, relevant rent expense for the period 20,000. And then accrued rent 2,000. Current liability, accrued rent. Accrued rent 2,000 current liability. Accrued rent 2,000 current liability. And here administration expense and relevant rent expense for the period 20,000, but accrued rent 2,000. Next one. Motor vehicle should be depreciated at 20% per annum on straight line basis. Motor vehicle, motor vehicle, land and building and motor vehicle. Land and building 500,000. Land and building 500,000. And then motor vehicle 600,000. Right, then motor vehicle should be depreciated 20% per annum. Motor vehicle depreciation how much? 600,000 into 20%. By how much? 60,000, 120,000. Right. Motor vehicle depreciation 120,000. Then that 120,000 transfer to distribution expense. Yes, fine. Our distribution expense, motor vehicle depreciation 120,000. Distribution expense 120,000. And then opening accumulated depreciation how much? Opening accumulated depreciation motor vehicle Opening balance 0. No opening balance. Then no opening balance. Therefore, total amount transfer to statement of financial position 120,000. 120,000. Okay. Total amount accumulated depreciation 120,000. There's no opening balance. If you have opening balance, you need to add this amount to that opening balance. Okay, there is no opening balance. Therefore, my total amount is 120,000. Depreciation 120,000. Accumulated depreciation also 120,000. Right. Additional information done. And then I look at the trial balance. Sales 800,000 sales. Purchases 375,000 purchases. Land and building okay, motor vehicle okay. Debtors 9,000 debtors. Creditors 50,000 current liability creditors. Creditors current liability 15,000. Creditors. Billing rent done. Discount received 5,000. Discount received other income. Discount received other income 5,000. Discount allowed 2,000. Distribution expense. Discount allowed 2,000. Distribution expense. Discount allowed. Salesperson salary. Salesperson salary should be recorded under distribution expense. Distribution expense, under that we record selling and distribution expense. Under the distribution expense, we record selling and distribution. Sales related and distribution related expenses. Therefore, here sales person salary 8,000, distribution expense. When sales person salary 8,000. Distribution expense. Next one. Bank charges. Bank charges. Bank charges under what? Bank charges, finance expense. Bank charges. Bank charges on the finance expense 1,500. Next one. Electricity charges 2,500. Admin expense. Electricity. Electricity charges 2,500. Next one. 10% bank loan 100,000. Bank loan non-current liability. Bank loan. Bank loan non-current liability 100,000. And then 10% bank loan is then relevant bank loan interest for the period how much? 100,000 into 10%, 10,000. 10,000. I mean, relevant bank loan interest for the period finance expense. Bank loan interest 10,000. Finance expense. Bank loan interest finance expense 10,000. And then how much the bank loan interest paid amount? There is no bank loan interest paid amount. Then total 10,000 current liability. Accrued bank loan interest. Accrued bank loan interest 10,000. Accrued bank loan interest 10,000. Right. Capital 624,000 capital. Carriage inward. Carriage inward purchases plus. Carriage inward purchases plus 10,000. Carriage inward. Opening stock 15,000. Opening stock 15,000. Cash balance 3,000. Cash 3,000. Right. Now you can balance the question. Stock to be sold how much? Stock to be sold. Stock percentage for the sale how much? Stock percentage for the sale how much? 50,000 plus 375,000 plus 10,000 or 400,000. Stock percentage for the sales 400,000. 400,000 minus 20,000, 380,000. Gross profit how much? Gross profit 800,000 minus 380 then 420,000 plus 5,000 425,000 minus expenses. Here my distribution expenses 10,000 130,000 distribution expenses. Administration expense 22,500. Finance expense 11,500. Right. So now total expenses 130,000 plus 22,500 plus 11,500. Total expenses 164,000. Now 425,000 minus 164,000, 261,000 profit. 261,000 profit. Is it correct? Come on, net profit. 261,000. Is it correct, Lamai? Net profit. Okay, the correct. Right. Shana with Shania.
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. Kushi over the Kushi.
Yes.
Right. Lama here. Lama here. Please write down Lama here. Not net profit. Here I write down net profit transfer capital account. Okay. We have written Lama net profit. But Lama here write down. Lama here write down net profit transfer capital account. Normally in your marketing schemes, Lama examiners have mentioned like that. Lama. Here answer is net profit. That is okay, Lama. But here write down net profit transfer to capital account. The Lama answer is perfect. Net profit transfer to capital account. Right. Transfer is profit to the equity liability. Here, net profit and then balance the question. Get the closing balance of statement of financial position. How much the balance of the statement of financial position? How much? $1,012,000. Right. Yeah, right. Balance figure in the statement of financial position is 1,012,000. Now, right. This is clear. This is now. Right. Madesh, okay, the Madesh, clear the Madesh.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Right, Lamai, we'll take 10 minutes break. Lamai, again, we'll start at 9:40. And Lamai, until 9:42, around 10:15, Lamai, we'll do this. We'll do a 2020 first paper. We'll try to complete within half an hour. We'll try to complete 2020 paper. 2020 first paper. Okay, right, Lamai. Take 10 minutes break. Again, we start at 9:40. 9:40. Right. Page 20 for the 2020 paper. 20 paper, first paper. Okay, we'll take 10 minutes break. Right, Lama, we'll start 20 paper, 2020 paper. Page 20, first paper. Right, Lama, shall we start? We'll start, huh? Right. Lama, quickly send me answers, huh? Quickly send me answers. I will try to do the class until around 10:15. We'll take half an hour. We'll try to complete within half an hour. 2020 paper, 2020 paper, first paper. Right. Quickly send me answers, huh? Right. Right. Now here, students of Girukula Mahavidyalaya prefer rice porridge prepared by the school or students association, school cooperative society and academic and non-academic staff collectively using the rice donated by Daham Sekara, the owner of Tisa rice mill. Students of Girukula Mahavidyalaya prefer rice porridge prepared by school or students association, school cooperative society and academic and non-academic staff collectively using the rice donated by Daham Sekara, owner of Tisa rice mill. Right. Now, for first one, what's a human is satisfied by Girukula Mahavidyalaya? Now, what's answer for the first one? Second one, yes, education. Yes, correct. Huh? Second one is answer. Second one, education. Girukula Mahavidyalaya. Here, Girukula Mahavidyalaya. Yes, answer second one. Huh? Yes, human need is satisfied by Girukula Mahavidyalaya. Not the rice porridge. Now, second one. Question number 2. An example for the external environment factor of Girukula Mahavidyalaya. Example for example for external environment factor of Girukula Mahavidyalaya. What's answer? Yes, yes, Lamai, what's answer? Yes, third one is answer. Third one. This is a rice mill business. Right. Third one is answer. Question number 3. The public sector business organization included in the above cases. Public sector business is what? Business belongs to government. What's answer? Question number 3. What's answer? Yes, Girukula Mahavidyalaya. Yes, answer is correct. Question number 3. Yes, Akshaya correct. Kamisha correct. Yes, answer is correct. Girukula Mahavidyalaya. Public sector business organization, Girukula Mahavidyalaya. Right. Question number 4. What is the production factor that the rice used to prepare rice porridge in the above case belongs to? Now, my answer for the question number 4. What's the answer? What's the answer for the question number 4? Now, what's the answer for the question number 4? Huh? Now, my third one is answer. Third one. Why? Now, my capital. Rice prepared by human. Therefore, my belongs to capital. It belongs to capital. Therefore, here rice porridge. Neither. Now, rice used to prepare rice. Now, use rice belongs to capital. Human made item. Right. Question number 5. Select the correct statement. Correct statement related to the this rice mill business in the above case. Question number 5. What's the answer? Lamai, question 5, what's the answer? Question 5. Yes, Sanjali correct. Aksha correct. Ranisha correct. Yes. First one is answer. First one. Registration of the name of the business is compulsory. Correct statement is my first one. Registration of the name of the business is compulsory. Yes, first one is answer. First one. Right. Now question number 6. A commodity manufacturing business is. What is the answer for the question number 6? Question number 6. Yes, Lama, yes, first one. Yes, Shanaya correct. Sanjali correct. Aksha correct. First one is answer. Commodity manufacturing business is Lanka Sugar Private Company Private Limited. First one is answer. First one. Right. Question number 7. Question number 7. First answer for question number 7. A democratic control and volunteer and open membership are the characteristics of business organization. An example for this kind of business organization is what? First answer. Question number 7. Yes, Shirai correct. Ramisha correct. Akshay correct. Yes. Now your answer. Second one. Maharagama Multipurpose Cooperative Society Limited. Yes. Second one. Second one is answer. Democratic control, volunteer and open membership belongs to cooperative societies. Second one is answer. Right. Right. What's answer for the question number 8? Lamai, question number 8. Following up your incidents. Out of the above incidents, wholesale trade are. Wholesale trades are. Lamai, what's the answer for the question number 8? Wholesale trades. To one gets his haircut from the modern salon. No. Sapumal imported a motor vehicle from Japan for his own use. No. Sumudu flower traders purchased 2 fresh flowers buckets. Someone said 50 kilograms of paddy from his house to rice mill owner. Now, what's the answer for the question 8? Answer for the question 8? Yes, Shania correct. Ramesh correct. Akshay, Lamai, fourth one is answer. Fourth one. We can't take third one. Third one, Sapumal imported the motor vehicle from Japan for his own use. Therefore, that is not belongs to wholesale rate. Lamai, wholesale rate is fourth one. CNB. CNB is answer. CNB. Fourth one is answer. Right. Answer the question number 9 to 10 using the following case. Answer the question number 9 to 10 using the following case. Then what's the answer here? Kasur received a check of Bank of Ceylon of 80,000 from Aruna. Right. Kasur received a check from 80,000 from Aruna. It was cost not negotiable. Kasur deposited that check in his current account in the People's Bank. Right. Right. Right now here, the check received from Aruna is. Question number 9, what's the answer? Question number 9, what's the answer? Question number 9. Okay, Shana. Okay, right. Alright. Up is 8 o'clock, sorry, 10 o'clock clear karo, right? Right. Lamai, what's the answer for the question number 9? Second one is answer, second one. A general question check. General question check. Lamai, here, not negotiable. Not negotiable, not special question. To become special question, they need to mention a name of a bank. Name of a bank. Therefore, not negotiable check is a general question check. Second one is answer. Second one. Second one is answer. Right. Right. Question number 10. In the check mentioned in above case, what is the answer for the question number 10? Now, question number 10, what is the answer? 10. That's answer. Yes, third one is answer. Third one. Lama, in this question, while Grovi is the bank of Ceylon. Yes, Grovi Bank of Ceylon. Kasun maintain, sorry, not Kasun. Aruna maintain his current account in Bank of Ceylon. Grovi Bank of Ceylon. Pay Kasun. Yes, yes. Third one is answer. Third one. Third one is answer. Right. Now I look at the question number 11. What's the answer? Question number 11. Question number 11. Amal received a compensation of 300,000 due to fire occurred in a part of his business building, which was insured at 1 million. The principle of insurance relevant to having only 300,000 as compensation is. Now, what's the answer for the question number 11? Then answer 11. Shania correct. Hasidu correct. No, Hasidu. No. Aisha correct. Aksha correct. Lama, what is the answer? The principles of insurance relevant to only to receive only 300,000. Indemnity principle. Third, indemnity principle. To reinstate the damage, insurance company pay compensation. To reinstate the damage, reinstate. Lama to come to the previous level, insurance company pay compensation. Therefore, third one is answer. Indemnity principle. Indemnity principle. Right, near the right. Lama question number 12. What's the answer for the question number 12? Select the answer which when the above communication methods are matched with the example respectively. What's the answer for the question number 12? Verbal, Lama, what's the verbal? Conducting a prefix meeting, verbal. Verbal. Written, what's the written? Written, what's the written? Now here written. Posting, calling letters for parents meeting. Lama is written. BC. Electronic written. Sending fax messages to zonal office. BCD. Sign and symbols A. Lama second one is answer. Second one. Question number 12, second one. Yes, second one. Kya correct? Hamisha correct. Yes, Garavita correct. Right. Right. Now I look at the question number 13. Renovating the Jaffna International Airport in an attractive way. The element of transportation implied for this by this statement is first answer. Renovating Jaffna Airport belongs to what? Belongs to terminal. Yes, correct. Terminal. Akshaya correct. Hasudu correct. Right. Now I look at the question 14. Question 14, what's the answer? 14. Aruna Suwa Madura decided to produce an immunity boosting drink. Say the answer that shows the management function of an variable of marketing mix implied from this statement respectively. Now here select the answer. Management function and variable of the marketing mix. Management function. Now what's the answer? What's the answer by 14? Yes. My third one is answer. 14 third one. Why? Now Ayura Suwa Madura decided to produce planning. Belongs to planning. And then decided to planning immunity boosting drink. Immunity boosting drink. Belongs to product. Product. Third one is answer. Question 14, third one. Right. Now question 15, what's the answer? 15. The source of investment received dividend income is. What's the answer for the question 15? The source of investment received dividend income is what's the answer? Purchasing order shares. Purchasing order. Yes, 15% is answer. Yes, Anjali correct, Shiraya correct, Ramesha correct. Yes, 15% is answer. Right, Lamai will stop for the day. Shira has another class. No problem, Lamai. We'll stop for the day. If you haven't completed 2020 paper, Lamai, please complete 20 paper. First paper and second paper. Right, we'll discuss first one next day. And then Lamai, in the 2021 paper also, if you have doubts in PS, okay, send me a message. I will explain now. And then if you want to explain, discuss PS part also, we will discuss PS part in the 2020 paper. So now enough for the day. Yeah, we'll stop for the day. Okay, right. Complete the paper. Next day we'll discuss. Right. Right, Lamai. Good night. Good night. Good night and happy new year. Happy new year. Right. Okay. Good night. Okay. Right.